Today we're going to be looking at how to quickly generate data in Excel using two techniques. The first one we're going to use is the function RANDBETWEEN. This gives you a random set of numbers in between two boundaries. The next is going to involve ChatGPT. Data generation can be very useful if you're looking for an easy way to practice different functions and formulas within Excel and you otherwise don't have many numbers to work with. Without further ado, let's get into the video. The first process we're going to use is the function =RANDBETWEEN. This function gives a random set of numbers between selected upper and lower boundaries. Let's say you are looking to practice summary statistics in Excel and you want to create a set of data quickly. We have this weight header here and we would go beneath it and type in the formula =RANDBETWEEN and then do an open parentheses and type in your lower boundary, which we'll say is 100, comma, an upper boundary, which we'll say is 225, and then hit enter. You can now perform all the calculations you would like on this data, and it only took a few seconds. If you'd like to add in another column in for height, you can do the same function and do some regression analysis as well. One thing to note about the RANDBETWEEN function is that the numbers change whenever there is a reference to the data. One way to get around this is to highlight all of your data, copy it, and paste them as values. This removes the formula from the cell and keeps the numbers, allowing yourself to do whatever you would like to the data without it updating. The next technique involves ChatGPT. I believe this is a much better way to create large sets of data, as you can also include dates and categorical data. We have these headers here, and I'm trying to create some sort of accounting system for the year 2024. I might copy and paste this header into ChatGPT and give the following prompt. These prompts don't necessarily need to be so long, so you could simplify it easily in the following way if you would like. Let's go ahead and use our first prompt, hit enter, and we are led to this Excel file. We can go ahead and format this data however we would like, and then we can bring it over to our headers. We can then turn this into a table and sort and filter for various trends. We can also turn this into a pivot table and compare various dates, regions, agents, and models to one another. Thank you guys for watching. I've gone and included both prompts in the description if you'd like to copy and paste these into ChatGPT and practice on your own. I have found this to be a great tool for practicing things such as pivot tables, statistics, XLOOKUP, and plenty of other functions. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.